Hey, this is Kevin. We are back in the Project Cave, and a couple of my recent videos have been devoted to this saw, my Cobalt 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. First video was about adjusting the laser. I'm physically moving the laser from the right side of the blade where it's under the motor and you lose sight of it when you make your cut, to the left side of the blade where you have clear vision of it the whole way. If you're having trouble adjusting your laser, check out that video. There'll be a link at the end or in the description below, and a lot of people have found it very helpful. The other was this auxiliary fence that I made for the saw. I made the wall of the fence just a little bit too tall. So there's a piece underneath the saw housing on the back of it that sticks down just a little too low. You can see in this clip here that it is not easy to slide and it's interfering. It'll get stuck, so you're kind of having to chop the saw a little bit. Not good if you're looking to make extra clean cuts. So what I did was I took the fence off of the saw, made two 45-degree relief cuts on the top corner of the fence, that's where the blade is, and now travel is not a problem. The saw works great. The fence acts like a zero clearance insert, so there is little to no tear out in your cuts, and this was just a simple fix to an already good fence. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think with a comment below. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.